So here is my room. It's a very small room but beautiful indeed. Wash basin, and here contains all few of the toiletries and like this. Here there is a store. Oh, my favorite place, foods. Lots and foods are kept there inside. The storage is quite good. Chair, and I've kept my jeans over here. Stationery items you can keep here. Here, this is actually the plate, and rest with all the electronic items. I'm just afraid of those spiders and all, arachnophobes. I need to buy some pins to pin it over here. My little family. Time being, you be here. It's so bad. Few more things to go for the decoration. Here comes the main view. For ventilation, here windows are generally tilted and then moved out for cleaning. Yeah, I will enjoy the view. Let it be. And finally, here comes my cupboard. Yet messy. Camera, bag, luggage, documents, foods, and here are the clothes for winter wear. Though I need to buy many winter wears from here because the winter wears generally from India won't affect much. And this is my savior over here. They are very spacious and doesn't feel like it's a small room. Everything is getting fit here well.